Hello students, welcome to the class. This is class 7th of social science class. We are studying lesson 1 environment. We have studied about environment, components of environment and dynamic environment. Today we will study about man and environment. In the early period of history, human beings were just like other animals, as they were entirely dependent on their environment. They were gatherers and hunters. As they began cultivating crops, permanent settlements came into existence. They first lived in village and fulfilled their needs from their local environment. They used the products of the physical environment to satisfy their need and requirements. It means in starting, human beings were fully dependent on environment. They were gatherers and hunters. They wandered here and there in the search of food and shade. As they began cultivating crops, permanent settlements came into existence, and they first of all lived in village and fulfilled their needs. And they were fully dependent on local environments. Gradually, as population increased, human activities also expanded. Factors like coal mining, availability of cheap labor, new inventions, canal system, capitals, etc., brought about the Industrial Revolution. Thus, the factory system of production began. This, along with the expansion of trade, led to the emergence of towns. As their need increased, they increased other different type of works like industry, and from there industrial revolution started. To meet the increased needs, forests were cut down, and to fulfill their needs, they started to cut down the forest radically for firewood, constructions, and furniture. Why they were cut? For firewood, construction, and furnitures. Land were cleared to set up industries and to grow more crops to feed the teeming millions and provide housing. The destructions of forests deprived the animals of their habitat. Humans killed animals in large numbers for food, entertainment, and to make various things from their skin, bone, meat, and teeth. Depletion of resources led to an adverse impact on the physical and biological environment. In fact, human beings are the only creatures to adversely interfere with the environment. This is a big statement that only there are human beings who interfere with environment, and this is very bad. They have depleted the earth of its resources indiscriminately without taking adequate steps to counter the dangers involved in doing so. And they don't know what the mistakes they are doing and they should what danger should be happen with them because of doing so. Environmental problems. Humans have not only disposed the earth of its resources, they have made the surroundings hostile by adding poisonous substances to it. They have harmed land, water, and air, and thus polluted the environment. Humans have spread diseases and destruction through pollution. Problems related to environmental pollution includes loss of soil fertility and incorrect disposal of harmful waste. Deforestation and removal of the vegetation cover have led to the loss of the top fertile layer of the soil by unchecked winds, rain, and running water. At some places, indiscriminate cutting of forest has resulted in lack of rain. As a result, the areas that were once fertile have been transformed into deserts and wastelands. Overuse of chemical fertilizers and pesticides have harmed and destroyed land, animals, birds, and humans. All these environmental changes pose a serious threat to the very survival of humans on the earth. So, children, you studied the environment problems, man and environment, how man has destroyed the environment. He had destroyed forest, he had destroyed some fertile areas, he has destroyed air, water, everything. Okay, we will study the remaining chapter in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.